2026 DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the brand new 2026 DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a compact powerhouse that's changing what creators can do with a camera that literally fits in their pocket. A new era of pocket cameras, the 2026 Osmo Pocket 3 marks a major leap in DJI's handheld camera lineup. It isn't just a small upgrade over its predecessor. DJI rebuilt the experience to focus on speed, stability, and cinematic quality without adding weight or complication. The result is a device that feels like a professional camera disguised as a travel gadget. Design built for creators on the move, DJI kept the iconic pocket-friendly size, but redesigned the body with a smoother grip, improved heat management, and a rotating interface that adapts instantly depending on how you hold it. The new anti-slip coating makes it easier to use during long shoots, and the redesigned gimbal arm now locks and unlocks with a safer, quicker motion. It's all about convenience. Pull it from your pocket, and within seconds, you're capturing stabilized footage. A sensor that punches above its weight. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 3 is DJI's new 1-inch stacked sensor, larger, sharper, and significantly better in low light. Whether shooting a night street scene, indoor vlog, or fast-moving action, the dynamic range captures deeper shadows and more accurate highlights. DJI also introduced an upgraded image processor, enabling higher bitrate recording, cleaner colors, and DSLR-like clarity from a device barely larger than your thumb. 4K mastery and improved frame rates. The Pocket 3 now records up to 4K at 240 frames per second, opening the door for buttery smooth slow motion with zero jitter or noise. For everyday shooting, you get sharper 4K/60 and crisp 1080p options with advanced stabilization. DJI also refined their color science, offering profiles like D-Log-M and HLG for creators who want greater control in post-production. Gimbal stabilization on another level. The signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal returns, but smarter, faster, and more accurate. The new algorithm anticipates motion rather than merely correcting it, making shots appear as if they were captured on a full-size rig. Running, cycling, traveling through crowds, every movement feels natural yet stabilized, preserving a cinematic flow without effort. Smart tracking and AI improvements. ActiveTrack 6.5 is one of the standout upgrades. It locks onto subjects with higher precision, even when they move unpredictably or partially leave the frame. Facial recognition is improved too, ensuring vlogs stay perfectly framed without manual repositioning. Gesture controls have also been expanded, allowing creators to start recording, switch modes, or reframe without touching the device. Audio that finally matches the video. The Osmo Pocket 3 includes DJI's new dual mic array with noise separation tech. Wind, traffic, and background chatter are minimized, while voices stay clean and clear. For creators needing more, direct pairing with DJI Mic 2 is seamless, with no adapters required. Battery and connectivity upgrades. The battery now lasts longer, charges faster, and maintains efficiency during 4K shooting. Meanwhile, improved wireless transfer speeds make it easier to move files to a phone or laptop instantly. For live streamers, DJI added stable 4K streaming options with automatic bandwidth balancing. Conclusion. The 2026 DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a bold step forward, smarter, clearer, more stable, and more creator-friendly than ever. Whether you're a traveler, filmmaker, or everyday storyteller, this tiny device delivers big results that feel surprisingly professional.